Okay guys, now we're going to remove the quarter glass on the Nissan Altima. So let me just take this one, probably from here. Just make sure it's in, all the way in, and there you go. Now we're going to use our suction cap, and we're going to attach. They already sand this area, so it's going to be difficult. Let's put them right here. That's it. Okay, and sorry, this way, and let's connect this one. Now I'm not going to use a drill. I'm going to use a ratchet because it's easy. Want to use a ratchet. This is the shaft for the Pro 6, the old one. Alright, so we're going to just make a little turn. So it's going to be more easy, as you see, because you can let it go, put more force, and sort of like that. You can apply more torque like this. Alright. Because the drill, sometimes we cannot control too much, but this way it's easy. Or if you want to use a small ratchet like this one. Oh, but this is a big adapter, so we're going to continue on this one. I thought that's one for the small one, 3/4. So alright, so that's it. And it's more easy even with 2 fingers. I like more this way than we using the drill, but and that's okay guys. So I say the advantage to use the ratchet and the drill. I think the ratchet is much better, because every time you pull or you crank the handle, you can lose the tension and come back again, and the drill is just strike the power, and sometimes the line is snap or make the system move. Okay, so okay guys, so this is the Altima. Remember, always what I do is pre-cut this area. Did you do that? It's easy to make this cut with any system. Alright guys, so let me just now do the back glass and we finish. Okay, see you next shot.